To fix a Whirlpool washer agitator that's not working, several potential causes should be considered. A damaged driver belt, a broken agitator, or a lid that isn't fully closed can all prevent the agitator from functioning properly. To address these issues, replacing the driver belt is a possible solution. This involves switching off the power supply to the washing machine, removing the rear panel by unscrewing the screws, and then taking out the panel to inspect the old driver belt for damage or wear and tear. If the belt is damaged, it should be replaced with a new one. Another potential solution is to replace the agitator itself, which is located in the washing tub. Inspecting the agitator for damage or wear and tear can help determine if replacement is necessary. Additionally, ensuring the washer lid is properly closed is crucial, as an open or obstructed lid can prevent the agitator from working. If the lid is closed but the agitator still doesn't work, checking for debris or damage to the lid and cleaning or repairing it as needed can help resolve the issue. By following these steps, it's possible to fix a Whirlpool washer agitator that's not working.